Please, stay quiet so everybody can hear. I think you guys have done an outstanding job this year supporting each other. It's been great to see you with the events. You guys have been awesome in the stands. It's not something we've had to watch and worry. We've been able to see what it is, and it's been about cheering for Prairie positively. It's been absolutely outstanding. Now we're here to celebrate cross country, but we had a lot of good things happening here in the fall. So I would ask, please, we're going to not say much about it because we got so many activities. But what I want to have is, when I say the activity, what I would ask is for the boys or girls involved and coaches in that activity to please stand so we can give you a round of applause for the outstanding season that we've had. Okay? So, first off, we're here to celebrate the boys cross country, but also during that same season with this great season, the girls cross country team, please stand. How about our football team, please stand. Now, I've sent out an email with all the names. I already sent that out to parents and kids before, but an outstanding accomplishment, such a list of our all-state musicians. Will all of you please stand? Excellent accomplishment. How about our girls swimming team? Our cheerleaders that do such an excellent job of supporting. Our boys golf team, please stand. Boys golf. Now, the interesting thing with the boys golf team, I see some of them stand. I understand why. You may not know this. Mr. Fritz went out there and had a long ride contest with them and beat everybody out there. His friends tried to tell me he didn't lose, but we have proof that he did. So, great job, boys golf. How about our marching band? We have some groups here that some of you may not know that we have as an option, but I want you to know about because they put in a lot of their own extra time to be a part of. There's 3 group names I'll say together because they're mostly the same people, but some of them are different. So we'll have 3 of them. So if you are on one of these teams, please stand. We have all 3: virtual reality, cyber defense team, or our robotics team. Please stand. If we have, there's nothing intentional, but we do have one more group. Last, and certainly not least, but the reason they're last is they have one more performance tonight of fall play. Please stand for Now, here's what I'm going to ask. If you were at any time in those groups pray and you stood. I want all of those people that have already stood, all get together to please stand. Is our Prairie High School dance team and coach, Alton.
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you, Eric. Yes, we had a great stack of stands, 38 teams. I wanted to give a shout out to the student council and everyone that volunteered at Stack of Stands. If you are here, can you stand, please? Thank you. It took a lot of hours. Thank you. We're looking forward to this weekend. The dance team is traveling to Davenport. It'll be our 4th competition in 4 weeks. 3 weeks until state. Thank you again for all your support, and without further ado, I'm going to bring on the Prairie Dance team. country boys want to do a little dance. And so thank you, cross country boys, for being good sports. Thank you to the dance team that threw that routine together in one night. And all right, well, congratulations, cross country, on your great victory.
Hello. How can you not unsee that swag? Ladies and gentlemen of PRAIRIE High School, this is the best part of my day right here, as I get to introduce to you your 2014 Prairie Cross Country team. Starting with the freshmen, we have Robert Lau. Matt Lau, Blake Oshel, Zach Schmidt, Grant Matthews, Garrett Farr, and Sam Olson. And now the sophomores, Seth Strahan, Ben Howell, Blake Cropful, Dylan Mittauer, Campbell Hoffman, Max Rowland, and Aaron Zukowski. And now the juniors, Hunter Gearhart, BJ Kamalablundi, Marcus England, and Andrew Lammers. And the seniors, Sam Hubble, and Christian Barr. And now your 2014 Prairie Cross Country postseason athletes. From Fairfax, junior Levi Levadier. Hailing from Shueyville, sophomore Luke Udapole. From Swisher, sophomore, second team all-conference, Cam Steffen. From Cedar Rapids, junior, first team all-conference, Chris Oler. From Walford, senior, and currently on his way to the Nike Cross Regional Meet in South Dakota, Zach Pfizer. From Royal Oaks, sophomore, first team all-conference, first team all-metro, Matt Lorenz. From Blue Ridge Estates, junior, Metro Co-Athlete of the Year, MVC Mississippi Conference Athlete of the Year, Elite All-State Athlete, Tyson Van Grass. From Fairfax, a junior, twice a fourth-place state finisher, twice an elite all-state athlete, Jake Moore. And the coaches, Ben Borman, Phil Young, and Mr. Bill Ford.
All right. When I say we are, you say Prairie. We are! Prairie! We are! Prairie! Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, there's one thing I love, and that's a dance routine that is precise and tight, and everybody's together, and a glitch-free dance routine. Girls, I think if you add a couple more months, they might have been able to get some of it down. Thanks a lot. You guys were awesome this week, and Coach, I really appreciate it. Thanks for trying and working with us. Hey, I've heard this word mentioned a little bit lately, and the word is dynasty. And to tell you the truth, I'm not sure I'm a fan. PRAIRIE XC, the 2014 PRAIRIE Cross Country team, is these guys. Big difference. These guys, they're just average teenage boys. They like to hunt, they play basketball, wrestle, they play hockey. They're in forensics, they ride dirt bikes, they play D&D, they play Pokemon, Nation States. They play headbanging music, they like Buffalo Wild Wings. They're just average teenage boys. But something special about these guys. They've got a passion, and they pursue that passion, and they work hard to do it. You know, we have this saying called carry the cow. Carry the cow. Every day we carry the cow. The cow gets bigger, it gets stronger. Every day, a little bit stronger. These guys started running short distance, running slow. Every day, carry the cow. A little bit farther, a little bit faster. Every year, a little bit farther, a little bit faster. I'm going to just tell you what they worked up to this year. This is a practice plan for their peak week. You guys remember when you had Monday and Tuesday off? No school Monday and Tuesday? This is what they were doing that week. Monday morning, 6 o'clock, show up to practice, 7 quality miles. That means fast and hard. 6 o'clock in the morning, Monday morning. They came back that afternoon for another 4-mile run. The next morning, they were back here again for a fast 7-mile run. That afternoon, they came in again. 4-mile run. Wednesday, here before school, 3-mile run. Here after school, 6 grueling miles. The next day, they had a pre-meet practice, an easy one, only 6 miles. The following day was the super meet. It was here on our campus. You got out of school early that day. These guys had a meet that day. Won it. And after the meet, they had practice on the track. The next day, they're in before school, 5-mile run. That afternoon, Friday night, 5-mile run. And Saturday, they got to come in at 8 o'clock. o'clock in the morning for an 11 miler. Guys, it's not easy. These guys put in a lot of work. It's hard to get there, but they've got a passion. Their passion is to be the best distance racers that they can be, and they found their greatness. I was going to show you a DVD about finding your greatness, but we're getting close to the end. I just want you to know that if these average guys can do it, you follow your passion, you find your greatness. Right now, I want these boys, PXC they'd like to present a trophy to the administration and the community. So guys, bring this over.
One last thing. I know some of you need to get to the bus, but we're going to give you an opportunity. Our marching band has an outstanding way they finish when they get here. It's no